Let me see. How could I see? Okay. How could I see? Okay. See if everything works first. How do I know? Swap to my other accounts. Okay, but I don't know if I'm live yet on my shorts. I guess it's fine. You got 3 platforms now.
So here we have a resistance.
Right. See this. Okay, thank you. Back to monitoring for live fails, please. Brain is off and running cleanly. Because the root fix. Okay, still doing the timeout fix. On charge, change per run, a tight single file change. Shorter decision turnout time. I do not want a shorter decision turnout time. I want a long-term solution to this problem that we do not have to deal with it again. Everything needs to be flawless and everything needs to be built for the long term, right? Because otherwise, what's the point? Stupid notification. Open. The current production website is deployed to a virtual link. Can you find it, please? And can you put the changes in that one, please? Also make sure the data does not drop. Alright, so I think I can leave it for now. Um, it's still not great, but I think I would leave it for now and give it to the brain later on. Just put this up for a bit. Little side projects. No, the change is already in it. Okay, so yeah, good job, man. Why does it keep pinging? Is so annoying. It's still our playlist.
Isn't it lovely? Having someone to miss, someone who makes saying goodbye ugly. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? Having someone to hold when you're feeling alone, just think of me. Isn't it lovely? In your eyes, I found paradise. In your eyes, I found paradise. Isn't it
This is
lovely?
a build turn prompt feeds an
Having
ever-growing
someone
transcript.
to
This
kiss,
average
baby,
decision
I feel so
first text is the assembled to scene prompt
lucky.
can never exceed a fixed size.
Isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? Having someone that you truly care for with all of your body. Isn't it lovely? In your eyes, I found paradise.
So I think everything needs a redo, but we can't really do it yet. Maybe we should scout for other things to use. Leave it for now. Make a list of what I want to add, maybe. Like that. Hey there, can you return to me the current roadmap and the plan to what to implement, please? So I don't know why, but I tap so many bugs for Windows. Shitty growth. Anything affordable. Brain. Reusable skill, that's not a... It's not the only thing that should be there. Expose the brain cursor clause, engineering milestones, local version, yes. What do they like cloud sandwich? Don't need to look at the implementation order. I'm working with another PLI on this, but I have some questions. What do you mean with the cloud sandbox? Because we want it to be fully local, right? And then also for phase 1 compounding the brain, I think we are missing a couple of steps here. Can you take a look at other MD files to maybe something that we missed or some other files that we might have missed? Not the site. No, it's not the site. But oh, now it works. guess that's right. I guess it should be. Okay, I think it looks good, but I have a question. I don't see many disciplines or amalgams. Can you also make a category, subcategory for amalgams, please, under disciplines? And then get rid of the amalgam section under book source, or if you just add it to the disciplines category. So when the user wants to see disciplines, right, they can actually just change it. When the user clicks disciplines, enable the disciplines in the category, there's a small box underneath that says amalgams, and then the user can choose to toggle amalgams on, off, or only, so that it only shows amalgams, that the amalgams are within the disciplines also, or out of the disciplines. And then can we also add to the compendium the books themselves? So like not everything, but like a TLDR of everything, so that if I want to see what's in the core rulebook, the core book, I can just click on it. I guess it's kind of already like this. Yeah, it's not clean, right? So basically, I can open the core rulebook like I can open the Future Clan, but for the rulebook, right? So then I click on it, it opens the rulebook, and then I can see everything that's in that rulebook smoothly and cleanly. Because right now, if I want to see that, I need to filter on the core rulebook, and then I need to scroll for 13 pages, right? It's not very pretty. Let's spec this out first, then return to me for implementing. My shorts. Can't see the live chat works. I don't know if the shorts work. Whatever, I just have to post more ads. Run one building, run two draft. Integrate both. Okay. Sync cluster. Let's make one roadmap, please. One complete roadmap, MD file. Let's archive the rest, and then return it to me, please, so I can check it. Alright, so nothing here, nothing here. Oops. Scouting on X. Area is 5.6. Come on, sold now. Definitely a much better model. Why are you just stop training with it? AI memory systems. Okay, this is good to have. This is do it and upgrade it. This is old now. But this is fake. DM me what you hold on. Under is feeded to clouds. This. Expert. Yeah, alright, nothing new here. Browse by book row instead of clickable cards. View the current book search filter to box row. It's clickable. I hate card shelves, so this is for now. Good, how do I use this? To a single road map, let's see.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness.
Right, so we
I
can
just wanted you to know that baby you're the best.
yes, really local first, not first always.
I got my red dress on
It's first meter API.
dancing in the dark in the Belmont.
Okay, this is fine. Hard gates, correctness,
High heels off, I'm feeling alive.
fusion, multi-platform. What is
I got that summertime sadness. Since that summertime sadness. I got that summertime sadness. Oh, oh.
dance? Ordering principles, immediate next. Still not a roadmap. Multi-platform, no consequence to the AI.
I'm feeling
Alright.
electric tonight. Cruising down the coast, going about 99. Got my bad baby by my heavenly side. I know if I go, I'll die happy tonight.
You'll have to read it. Ugh. Experience trustworthy reward signal to learn from. Phase 0, phase 1. Don't task and flight route costs. Next. There's definitely some improvements here. Some things we are missing. Multi-modal fusion. Are you sure that's everything? I feel like we are missing some things here. Of change to win every single trade in the real network, to win every trade before it starts. If someone takes it. Engineering is a rebrand, yes. Yes, that's it. Self-improving claim is just to evaluate output back. It's occurring with actions that you already passed this article on every axis. X articles paywall, so maybe it's gonna mirror. Yeah, try harder. My book clickable. But I don't know where to save it because this shit makes so much. Well, really can't organize for shit. Yeah, just made a roadmap here. Also, can you please not make any files inside of the head folder fiber? Just make a subfolder with all the roadmaps and all the phases, please. But I think some are scattered across and other subfolders. Like phases, plans, roadmaps, specs. I think all of this are kind of the same, so you will really need to look in each file. You get it? Nothing changes. Fabled article. So can you compare what he did to what we did and see if there is anything that we are missing, please?
And we stood there, side by side, the two of us. didn't speak. Side by side. And didn't speak. And didn't speak. Side by side. And didn't speak.
If something should happen, don't you be afraid.
I don't want to hurt you.
Which document should I group? Planning phase, plans, specs,
Side by side.
stocks, research, business.
And didn't speak.
Yes, let's leave that. Wait, can I just put radio?
And we stood there.
you behind. Believe me, I love you. Your heart, better run and hide. Your heart, your heart.
Can you research for me some more engineering concepts like this looping system? Maybe there are others that we are missing. We brought look up every form of possible engineering thing, what engineering has been done to make Opus 4.8 itself. What kind of engineering can we do for our trading Is this another issue that just came to be? If so, please fix it. We need every issue and every bug gone before we can self-improve. And do the self-improve loop. I think web searching may not be the best. Is there a way for you to look up academic papers? Is there a way for you to look up academic papers or other kind of papers that will help in engineering AI models for trading, but not specifically trading, right? If there's a concept, an engineering concept that we can use, then we will use it and try it out. Also, is there a way for you to look at open source LLM models, see how they are made, and see what we can use in terms of blueprints or process for our problem? Also, if possible, you are Opus. I don't know how much you can find about how you were made specifically, so if you can try this, thank you. Be broad for this task, go wide, search every angle, think about everything. Take your time for this task. No need to be fast, you can take weeks for this, for all I care. I just want it to be good. Okay. This is so buggy, man, I swear. Portfolio engineering. Yeah, missing anything. Something in torrent. Okay, worked on. A real bug is in your pre system. This is an ultra thing. Can you spawn a couple of agents to look for any other bugs that we might have that might be inflicting? Also, for every bug that you try and fix, I want you to audit it with a different agent. Literally deploy a team of agents to fix and review all bugs, make sure everything works properly. Thank you. Staging is done. There's one roadmap, everything going towards it. Take a look at this in a bit. Can you return the roadmap to me, please? Taking 1 minute to find the roadmap path. It's not. Yeah, I think it's knowledge graph, memory, persistent routing flash, incident skill deletion, spine. What about just look myself, I think 12. What was made? Yes. Okay, thank you. Can you review this roadmap and tell me if there is anything missing here? You know our goal, so I want you to check this roadmap and see if we're missing things. I have some things in my mind, but I wonder if you can find it.
You read me and
things that are missing are mostly its own parts, right? Like this doesn't mention soul. It mentions skills, but it also doesn't mention like skill creation, right? Let's see what it. Before I start thinking of it, there's a couple of things missing. I don't know why this is so advanced. Let me see. Include this thing. Okay, like, let's see. What? My phone trolling me. Oh no, it's here. Okay. And then here, put this. For the amalgams, remove the category amalgams and add it to the category. Add it to the facets category under disciplines. This should do it. Here. Right here is where I want the amalgams to be, right under disciplines. Okay, then I can click this. Okay, but yes, it works. That's kind of shitty, right? You get very overwhelmed. For the books, when I click a book, I feel very overwhelmed. Technically, I think it is a good way to do it like this, but I feel very overwhelmed. I wonder if there is a better way or like a better indexing system that you can use. Please use a front-end skill for this, because this is very front-end heavy. Then I can click here. Okay. Let me click plan. Just get plan disciplines, bonus oblivion dominance. Okay, and then let's search up predator types. Sewer. Okay, you get the. I think it's fine. But working. Sell the players under specified to select the heart itself and put yes. Yeah, so let's try to redo this roadmap, but let's make a V2 roadmap. And then instead of saying what it is, let's put the goal first for each phase. So phase 1, right? The goal is self-improving. Phase 2 is building out features of Concertor, and then phase 3 is allow any user to deploy any product ready app or website or service or whatever with just like a few prompts, right? Like the user build a prompt like build me a game like Clash of Clans, and then it does that, and then or like how do I do the marketing for this, right? And it can actively manage the whole performance from like building a business, right? What goes into it. I own a gaming business, okay. I need something that builds games, I need to market, I need to take into account my costs, my earnings, right? All that stuff. For your points, yes, the self-deploy bootstrap loop is underspecified. I agree. Everything is software shaped. The goal is to do anything. Yes, the goal is literally to let the user build anything, right? Like, it's going to be software, but we also want like to research, right? Because you're an LLM, you can only program and research the web, right? So the way to measure whether the brain is compounding is with the benchmark system that we have. Do you think it is enough or not? Yes, the roadmap is east up and specified nothing referenceable. Women is we will do the safety later, but yeah, you can add the section safety, but just leave it empty because we don't know what we want yet. And then for speed performance, yes, we want to focus on correctness and smartness first. Speed can go later. Look fine. I don't think that does anything. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything. Category tabs. Can you build me a few examples, please, so I can compare? Yeah, it's an 87 agent, by the way. Well, you should be fine. That's a lot of work being done here. Survey. Mhm. So you imagining from sketches of the all three, yes. Here's a plan for V2 goal phases, each open with goal. 3 phases you framed. Yeah, for now let's do like this, and then I can add more. Deploys its own upgrades, boots its more itself. Yes. Capability boundary. Build a game, predict the market, market my business. Can synchronize reach it, go into Steam, make it plus and verified. We don't pretend to powers we don't have. Brain quality is moats, fully local, so service needs. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, that looks good. Now I want you to research existing competitors, such like other projects such as Hermes, Open Router, Sakana. Right here, the research. Just research other providers in the LLM space, routers, wrappers, whatever. See how they do it. See if you can spec out anything that we are missing right now. Because I do not see a soul file inside of your roadmap, and we do not have that yet. So I want you to look for this, for example, but also look at other things that we might be missing. That can help us get towards the goal, right? Use actions a resub. Then why the fuck you know get ping? Or we was already in. Oh, that's pretty smart. Okay, so I need to delete this. Index. Tabs. Those. Oh. So this is a Lloyd, it's definitely not. Okay, it's just weird as fuck. Oh, okay, yeah, we can just keep this tree. You can pick. Yeah, it's pretty good. See, it rid of it. Okay. Okay, okay. Now let me try. Okay, good. Now let's get back to the character creator. I want you to review it and fix any potential issues or bugs or front-end issues that we have, because I'm already seeing one. And also, wait, you can see it here. Okay. I want you to make a category, so in the clan tab, right? It should show core book and then all the core book clans, and then category companion, all the companion clans. Because right now it's just one after the other and it's not really categorized. Like, I can see a little thing. Wait. You can work with colors, but it doesn't really, because if you add more, it's gonna be hard to track the colors. Turn this shit on. I can see you try to work with colors, but this bugged and you do not see them because the front end is a bit buggy. I don't mind working with colors, but it will be a little bit weird because of the these are very small, right? These what do you call them? These tiles are very small, so they do not have a lot of text on them. So you need to be smart about this. Does the monitor bug not already in? Right. Skills. Just discipline. I wonder if it changes anything. It's epic. No, right here should just be the skills. Power. Player's guide, core book. Okay, that's good. I like the way how you did the disciplines, right? You just show all of them and then you can filter by book. But there's also a little notification that says from which book it's from. Yeah, this is good, but okay, let's rethink. So I see that you added tags from which book it's from, which is good. The problem is that the books are too big in text and it overlaps into the next tile. So I like the way you did it, but that's the problem we are having with it. Try to think of some solutions and then propose it to me before changing. But good enough. Yes. They do not have workflows? Sorry, please use ultra code. Ultra code for this. 15. You fucking bitch. White is not worth. Okay, I fucking hate this app. Hello. High index orchestrates. This is about to be done, so oops, forgot to notice. There it is. That is so weird. So, what is 99? Is 6 mil or too shabby? White primary lecture of service transferable AI or engineering concept, open source, and blueprints, how close and version. Okay. Synthesize. Okay. This can still do better. So these were about to be done. I'll just wait. Where are you stuck? Mission document. It's probably to play. do that. Yeah, data. Right. There's gaps. Wait, my PC was off here. Wait. 1 hour ago. No, it was not. Okay, so the funded entry is good. It's fine. Workflow finished. Right. Still working. So yeah, I should be able to pick with maybe another form. It's better. I think it's good like this though. Then you need to re-click any again, which is annoying. Right? To scroll up, which is not great. Also, for the compendium in the discipline subcategory, can you add a search bar? And the same with the clans. So I marked in red where I want a search bar, and then the user can type in, for example, A, and then it would only show the disciplines with the letter A in it for the user to select. Also, any is always included, no matter what the search is. And then for the clan, also maybe add a clear all button. So it would just clear the selected clans that, so it would clear the selected clans that the user has selected. Word written. Let me read it. Sure, you can try this one. However, you also need to look at the underlying state of things, where we stand versus what they have. You say that we have tried everything, we have tried every concept, but with not the same skeleton behind it. Working. It's here. be fun once we get some actual stuff. Like once we get started, actually, once I can actually use the app to build itself out, it will be fun. Because right now it's kind of boring because we need to do the base first. So. It's, I'll call it here. I can stream it a bit tomorrow as well. Thank you for watching. Just follow my Twitter if you don't have it yet. Or you can find it just at. Thank you for a while. Post the depth updates here.